I'll ask you this, because here's what I found. I found my wife, Karen, has this phrase, which apparently she said, not apparently, I heard it from Brene Brown, and I said it, and I quoted Brene Brown, and she's like, I've been saying that for years. But I'm glad
Karen originated it.
I'm glad that Brene says it, and then you give her the credit for it. But it's everybody's doing the best they can. And it's this grace that comes from living loved, having walked through forgiveness, knowing that our Father interacts with us in that same grace, that gives you the liberty then to know that we're in this long game. How do I connect with my kids, with my spouse, with my uncles or aunts? I mean, family's big.
Yeah. How
do I connect with them and not be stressed over getting them to do something or say something or be something, but instead be present? And I love that you are able to talk about your kids in a way that says, look, man, we're in the long game. Like, we're practicing the model of what Jesus came to show us. I think that's huge.
Yeah. And again, it starts with us. It starts with us being able to receive the Father's love. It begins with us learning how and actually choosing to forgive, and to learn how to think the way he thinks and how to love the way he loves. And it restores this. I love this phrase, the long game, because when one person chooses to heal and discover God in a different dimension every day freshly. I know I'm a little deeper. I've experienced his love a little deeper, more today than I did yesterday. Yeah. It actually, I mean, we can get into all the quantum physics trippy stuff, but it actually then goes back into our family history, and it restores those places in the past, and it gives us it also gives us this discovery of what God's story is for our family line.
That's good.
So he restores it, he redeems it, and then he gives us this now and future story, and we just get to cooperate with his story, because his story is the best story. He's the best story.